God is going to bless you.
Hallelujah.
He's going to bless you. He's going to bless you. You know he ain't going to bless you without blessing her, right? See, your face so crazy, you just hear that. God is so good, he's going to just overshadow you. Woman of God, God is going to overshadow you. He is going to show you some things that you've never seen before. As a matter of fact, after tonight, you're going to start dreaming, if not already is. See, God is going to show you something that you need to do. He's going to move in dreams with you, and he's going to show you how to work them out. In your dream, you're going to have a pad and a piece of paper, and you ain't going to understand none of that, because you got to understand this is a spiritual thing. But when you wake the next morning, it's all going to be right there, all mapped out and ready to go. He's going to show you what to do. God's going to bless you. I see God moving y'all into a bigger house with your own car garage, with his own car garage, 2 brand new vehicles, and the same token. You got to understand, God is going to do something great in your life, and the ministry is going to take off like wildfire. This ministry is going to take off. They're going to start coming out the woodworks, all across the street, down the street. Why? Because your name had just hit this ground. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. I see you got a great heart. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You got a good heart. Good heart, good heart, good heart. People use you, you still got a good heart. Hallelujah. They say I ain't gonna do it no more, and they come back again, you do it, right? Hallelujah. You bless them again. Glory to your God. Hallelujah. Thank you. That's just how good your heart is. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Am I telling you the truth? Well, maybe I need to ask her. Am I telling the truth? Hallelujah. Glory to your God. Hallelujah. Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Hallelujah. And you be want to tell those scammers, get away from my house, get away from my husband. Hallelujah. Thank you. It is what it is. Honey, why you keep putting up with them rascals? You know they lying to you, baby. I just got to do it. Come on. I got to do it. Yes, yes. Speak on. I don't know why you looking so sad way over there. As a matter of fact, I want you to come up. Shirley, come here. Help me out, baby. Come help me out. Thank you, Jesus. I want you to come and pray for her. Just pray for her.
Immediately, Lord God, everything, God,
Father God, every way. Bless the going in and bless the coming out. Turn every situation around, God. And God, I speak to that situation right now, God. God, I thank you for doing it. And everything that the enemy meant for